So now it's time to remove your gems because you want to do a fill or what have you. So you're going to grab your old pair of cuticle nippers, and as you can see, because we've secured these gems, it just slides right off. It doesn't grab at all because of how we've secured the gems on here. You can continue to try to pry these off. They're not going to come off. You're going to either hurt yourself or your client, and if you're doing this on yourself, you're definitely going to hurt yourself. So you're going to grab your e-file and you're going to put an actual cutting bit. The cutting bits are the ones with the flat ends on them, like this. And you're going to just put it on roughly 700, maybe 600 RPM. And you're going to create a little notch, like so, on the edge of the gem. This way, we're going to be able to get underneath and be able to pry those gems off with our nippers. And you'll see this now. So just turning my e-file off, and then we're going to get the old nippers again, and you'll see, look, it just comes off so easy now, okay? And this way you're not going to hurt yourself or your client. And they come off that easy. I hope this helps, and stay safe, guys. Bye.